So I was walking through the warehouse today, and today's the 3rd, which is the day that the new FDA policies for defibrillators and AEDs takes effect, which means some parts are probably going to start getting harder to find. And I wanted to see how many of these parts we have in our inventory. So let me take you on a little walkthrough of our warehouse real quick, and I'll show you some of the parts that we have currently in stock, and now I'll show you some of the other stuff that we got. All right, so our battery section, as I said a couple days ago, is getting depleted. There's a lot of bins that used to have things in there, but it is getting depleted kind of quickly. We currently have a lot of Alaris batteries. That's good because we go through those pretty quickly. We have, what are these, LifePak 12 batteries? Those definitely look like LifePak batteries. I've got, that's a Mindray battery. We've got LifePak 20E batteries. LifePak 20 batteries. Those are definitely getting harder to find. I've got some, what are those? GE Mac batteries, Mac 5000s. We got a bunch of different coin cell batteries here and there. We've got some other battery packs for different types of infusion pumps. Let's see, GE Estiva and Aspire batteries. These look like GE McKay batteries. That's good to have. Oh, very cool. We've got a secret stash down here of Zoll batteries. So if you guys need some Zoll batteries, let me know. Definitely a plus. And we've got some older style batteries. How crazy is that, huh? And these ones aren't even that old. So if you guys need other types of lithium cells, we have them. But lead acids are definitely getting way more difficult to find. So just let us know which one you're looking for. Glad that we got plenty of those. What are these batteries for? I've seen that someplace before. If you guys know what that battery is, let me know. I've seen that someplace before. So that's our battery section. We, of course, have all sorts of fiber optics. And let's see, we've got, gas controls, regulators. You guys need gas regulators? We've got gas regulators. We got flow meters. Definitely, we got some flow meters. Suction regulators. We keep suction regulators in stock. O2 cells. Now, these bins were mainly full. And I said a couple days ago that we go through a lot of O2 cells. We do have some of the major ones, but let us know because we do sell out of those. So vacuum canister parts, we definitely have lots of those. Oh, how cool is this? Hiding on a shelf. Piece of vintage technology right here. Dionix. Brand new. Brand new. Sitting here on a shelf. That's vintage, guys. Love it. Let's see. Fiber optics, headlights. We got light cords. We've got bulbs. We got lots of different types of bulbs. We got a lot of different cables for Massimo. Lots of different Massimo. We have, where are they? Where are those magical little guys? There we go. We have some radicals and radical docking stations. So very cool. If you guys need radicals, let me know, man. Here, let me take you over on the other side. So we do keep a lot of extra spare parts for things that we see on occasion. Here's a lot of Ohio medical parts. We've got bulbs. We have bulbs, all different types of bulbs. Some of them not as common as you would think. These are like workstation fluorescent bulbs. We have a lot of different types of bulbs that you normally wouldn't find, but you can tell this area also is selling out. I told you guys logistics is getting crazy. We keep a lot of spare boards. These are mainly Alaris boards. Various Alaris parts. What are these? Oh, IUI ports. Okay, IUIs, pressure transducers. A lot of different parts. GE parts. And then check this out, guys. We have a lot of corometrics, fetal transducers. We have all sorts of parts over here. And ports. Now this is something I was surprised that we keep a lot of stuff in stock for. We have a lot of parts for connectors. So if you guys need connectors, let me know. All different connectors, guys. All different ones. So definitely let me know. We have SPO2, all different types of SPO2. We have all different types of ECG cables. You name it. We got different types of ECG blender rebuild kits. How cool is that? Look at that. We sell the entire blender rebuild kit. We've got a bunch of them. We have all sorts of blender parts because, you know, we do a lot of blenders. Then we keep a lot of spare parts of other different devices. And then down here we have some of our vintage equipment, which is what I'm usually most excited about. I did a video on this guy, did a video on that guy. I've got a LuxTech unit right here and a BiPAP Vision. And we have some other parts. You guys know we've got an army of Connexes, and we've got a whole bunch more that are still being processed, still cleaned. Those are going up on market as fast as we can get them up. They're gone. And now that brings me over here to power cords. Now this is one of the things I was surprised about the most, is the amount of power cords that we have of every different configuration you can think of. Not just medical grade, but we have locking, we have non-locking, we have standard power cords, we have 90-degree power cords, we have 20 amp power cords, 15 amp power cords, short power cords, long power cords. That's a rare power cord right there. Look at that. I love it. We have mattress pads. So if you guys have stretchers, surgical tables, anything like that, we have a lot of different mattress pads. And those, if you go OEM, can be very pricey. And then we got over here hand controls for bedsides. So we got a lot of different hand controls. So I was very surprised at the amount of stuff that they have in their warehouse and the amount of stuff that they go through. Like, stuff is coming and going constantly. So if one week we have a quantity of something, could be a week or two later, we're out. You know, we get some really large orders in, and when these orders come and go, you know, a shelf will go empty, like you see some of them are. So guys, if you have any questions, if you're ever looking for a part, let me know. I can run back here and take a look, or I can look it up in the computer, see if we carry it or if we can get it. You never know. Down in the description below, you're going to see my contact info along with sales. So if you need any of these parts I'm talking about, especially some of the defib batteries, let me know. Some of those defib parts might get a little harder to acquire, but we have them in stock currently.